Alright, so we got the Black Cat Jordan 3 Classic from 2007. And we got the 2018 Flyknit. Oh, here we go. Black Cats? Alright. We got the 2018 Flyknit All Black Air Jordan 3. Which one do you guys like better? Cause I don't know. Black Cat's a classic, but these new Flyknits are pretty ill. Alright, I got you. Right here. What's up, guys? This is Fresco here again. You see this bright smile on my face? That means I'm happy. And we are here at Stadium Goods. We're live on 47 Howard Street, Manhattan, Soho area. Please feel free to pull up. But we're gonna take a special look today at one brand new shoe that just released for All-Star Weekend 2018 versus one older shoe that's just a classic Jordan silhouette and colorway. So we've got the Black Cat Jordan 3 that was released in 2007, and we've got the Flyknit Triple Black Jordan 3 that was released in 2018. So of course, we're gonna jump into the 2007 Black Cat Jordan 3 first, because that's the classic. So we're gonna take a look at this box top. We've got the classic Jordan box top, but you guys haven't seen this one in a minute. This is one of the older ones. We've got the silver Jumpman right there in the middle. And we've got the Jordan right there on the back. But let's get a look at these shoes, and please let us know what you think in the comments. Let me know if you like the Black Cat Jordan 3 better. Do you like the Flyknit Jordan 3 better that I'm about to get to? But we're gonna look at these first. 2007 Black Cat Air Jordan 3. So let's take a look at this one. As we get through the upper here, there are nubuck hits throughout. So you guys see the toe box area here. Throughout the upper, we've got the nubuck. This one features a variety of different materials. Just under the nubuck, we've got the patent leather hit just above the midsole that you guys can see here. Patent leather. Patent leather runs into the toe area, around to the inner panels, and pretty much throughout the shoe. Also in the front toe box, we've got the elephant print here. We've also got another hit of elephant print that leads into the back panel. So it starts on the outer leg right here, leads into this back tab here. We've got the pull tab, full black on black. So if you guys know, it's the theme of this shoe and the theme of this video is black on black, as we just celebrated Black History Month. So we've got the Jumpman right here. We've got the Air logo here, and once again, the cement print that I alluded to. As we get to the outsole, full black on black. And as you guys can see here, the exposed air unit, classic to most Air Jordan 3 silhouettes. We're gonna jump into the laces here. Black elephant print on the laces. As you guys can see, it's black with gray. So there's black with the gray hits for the elephant print. And as we get to the tongue, once again, black on black, black Jumpman. Let's take a look at the insoles. And please, like I said, follow us on all social media platforms. And please like and share all of our videos just because I'm in them. And outside of that, just because they're good videos. So, take a look at the insert here. It's the white Jumpman logo. And then we're gonna shift to the outsole. Outsole is mostly full black. And then we've got the white Jordan logo right there exposed. So there are two white hits on the shoe. This one I'm just mentioning here on the outsole, and that I just showed you on the insole. And one more look at the Black Cat Air Jordan 3. So I'm gonna leave this one to the side, and we're gonna transition into the Flyknit Air Jordan 3 from this year's All-Star Weekend 2018. So now we're gonna transition to the 2018 Air Jordan 3 Triple Black Flyknit. So these shoes recently released for this year's All-Star game, which is recently just past February. I don't know if these shoes are gonna release again in larger quantities, but I know that they just did release, and we do have them here at Stadium. But we're gonna take a look at them real quick and compare them to these that you see to my immediate left, Black Cat Air Jordan 3. Box top right here, as you guys can see. So this is similar to most Jordan 3 box tops that you guys are gonna see now, with the full black top. We've got the red Jumpman here, and we've got the elephant print here, bottom. But let's get to these shoes. I know that's what you guys want to see. So please let me know in the comments what you guys like, because I definitely, well, I'm biased when it comes to Flyknit, but these are just pretty dope for a nice black on black shoe. So here we have the Air Jordan 3 black on black Flyknit. So we're gonna take a look at these. Tiptoeing in my Jordans. Shouts out to Rick Ross. Upper here, so as you guys can see, throughout the entire upper is full Flyknit. So there's full Flyknit throughout each hit of this entire shoe. We've got it right here in the toe box, front toe area. So if you guys know, and I'm just gonna contrast these two really quick. So if you look at the toe box area and you see the elephant print here, this is also a version of the elephant print, just knitted. So this is just pretty much a spin-off on the Air Jordan 3, a knitted version of the elephant print right there in the toe box. We've got pretty much, it's triple black, but it's also, there's slightly gray hits throughout the toe area that you guys can see right here. And that runs straight through the entire upper. The back panel here, as I showed you guys on the other shoe. So this is the elephant print of the Flyknit 2018 Air Jordan 3. The elephant print right there on the back tab. We've got, similar to the black cat, black pull tab right here, but I just pulled this and I noticed something cool. So this one has the 1988 right here on the pull tab of the left foot. We've got the full black midsole. Black midsole here, much like the black cat Jordan 3 that I just showed you guys. Exposed air unit, classic to the Jordan 3. But let's get to this outsole really quick. So we've got a full, almost translucent. We've got the black Jordan logo right here, also on the outsole. You guys can see here, the leather hits throughout the inserts, the insole of the shoe. Let's take this John out. And please let us know what you guys think in the comments. Like and share all of our videos. I am Fresco. If you're looking for me. Here we go. Got the insole here, full black on black with the black Jumpman. One more thing, or excuse me, two more things about the uppers here. They come with the hang tag. So translucent on the outer area, and we have the black on black on the inside with the clear Jumpman. Let's get to this tongue also. So the tongue has the embroidered Jumpman there, also full Flyknit throughout the tongue area, and the laces are wax coated laces. So if you guys notice, a lot of Jordan silhouettes have the wax coated laces. Hi Angie! Have the wax coated laces right here. So let's take a look at this right foot to see if there's anything different. Oh, the right foot, similar to the left foot, also bears the 1988. And I'm gonna give you guys one other full look at these. And let me know what you think. Please leave it in the comments. Let me know if you like the Flyknit Air Jordan 3 triple black, or you like the black cat from 2007 Air Jordan 3. As we compare and contrast, we have both of these available at Stadium Goods. Please feel free to visit our website, stadiumgoods.com, for any questions or inquiries you may have. Download our new app, Stadium Goods app. It's available on iOS and Android. Follow us on all social media platforms. That's Instagram, Google+, Twitter, Snapchat, Facebook. Like and share all of our videos on Facebook and on YouTube. Please feel free to pull up to the store, 47 Howard Street, Manhattan, Soho area. I am Fresco, and salud.